So welcome back. I mean, we've done what? 4 video? Technically 5, but 3.5 is the thing. On how to build a robot, and now we're just putting everything together. So let's get this started. Yeah. We got this wonderful circuit here. I wonder what I could do. So let's go over what the next step is. Next step, we're going to put it all together. To put it all together, we're going to have to build a little car. So for that, we got some popsicle sticks. We're going to use some styrofoam probably at some point. We got wheels. Now, I'm a teacher, but these wheels cost like $5-10 from Amazon. You could also 3D print them, but again, for beginners, probably not an option. So, we're gonna grab some wheels, probably 4 of them. But honestly, you could probably just do 3, but 4 easier to do. So, some wheels, some wheel axles, which come with the wheel kit for like again $10. You can get 100 of them. That's basically 10 cents a wheel. Again, cheap. So we're gonna build it a frame, put it all together, and yeah, let's get started. Pretty stable. I think when I'm putting this together, like you just want to play around with it, right? I probably want like that there. This breadboard can go, well, we can put them like this, I suppose. Throw a DC motor right there. Hey, look, it's perfect size. Look at that. Now, of course, you could drill. You could do a lot of things. I'm going to glue. Hot glue. Because I love my hot glue. Glue, we got this set up now. Looks nice. Now we got some other things. So now we got to figure out where it goes where. So, for these wheels, right, you need these to spin. I have students that do this all the time. They just glue it to the straw. Like, no, you don't want to do it. You want to put the wheel axle through a straw. This little metal axle. And then, it can spin as if it's not glued to the straw. But anyways, let's cut down the straw down the side. These wheels are going to be glued on the servo. They don't have a gear, right? So these wheels get glued on the servo. They spin nice. This wheel axle is a little bit more complicated, right? You need this gear on it, and you want a straw, and then 2 wheels. So gear sliding. Let's try to find a tighter gear real fast. That's better. This one's tighter. So we're going to use this gear, not that gear. Then add wheels. So you can see though, like when I add these, right, it's going to be probably smashing the straw again. That's my guess. Yep. So let's cut a little bit off these straws again. What we want. We want this to be able to spin with the straw being fixed in place. So now we just need to attach things. So let's continue since we keep being interrupted. We're going to move the motor to the bottom. this was too short with the wheels on. To put with the motor. Kinda. Can't make that work. We're gonna have to expand that. So I'm gonna use this. Cut it down to size. Nice bamboo skewer. So we're at a point where we're gonna need to fix some things. This isn't gonna be strong enough, so let's just use two metal pulls and have them meet in the middle. And these two wires are making the motor's spinning the wrong way, so we need to switch these two wires. Technically unglue it and switch the side, but I'm gonna switch these two wires. This black wire is gonna switch with this red wire. So black wire is plugged to the bottom of the transistor, red wire is plugged to the yellow wire. Swapping them. And this should cause the motor to run in reverse, causing it to move the car forward. That worked. Now we just need to fix it so it actually stays the path. So we're actually going to need bamboo wasn't cutting it, so we got a giant steel rod here. And we're going to go in and cut it down. Cool, we got a success. Can't go backwards, but we'll add that later. So here we go. We got a test run for the car. Let's connect to it. We got it connected to the controller. Now we test it, right? Man, I gotta set that to default. Starting position different. Things super quick. I wonder if I can do donuts. Cool.